It's Puto and Kuchinta. And
we're going to buy water because my water bottle left.
your water bottle. Too much excited for today.
Not really. I just want it to be early.
Why?
I just want to.
Guys, she woke up 4 a.m. and
I showered. I showered 3 a.m.
3 a.m. 4.
And I ate. And I ate
Eat
4 a.m. And I showered 3 a.m.
3 a.m. before 4 a.m.
Yeah, before 4 a.m.
Oh my goodness.
Burger.
What is that? And she ate again, guys. Puto at Kuchinta.
Burger.
Look at, guys. The sky is
Still blue.
gloomy. Still dark.
Back.
What you gonna do?
Burger.
The girl is so excited. Republic. Oh my God. So early. Baka wala pa si teacher mo doon.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. May, parang close pa yung gate.